Your car's engine is its lifeblood. Therefore, it's critical to take immediate action when it begins to exhibit warning indications of failure. By identifying these early signs, you can avoid expensive repairs and unplanned malfunctions. Here are 10 warning signs that your engine might be on the verge of failing, so you can take timely action and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 10. Excessive smoke from exhaust. One of the most important signs of engine trouble is excessive smoke coming from your car's exhaust, and the type of smoke you see can often indicate the underlying problem. Usually, oil seeping into the combustion chamber and burning with the fuel is indicated by blue or gray smoke. In forced induction engines, this may be brought on by damaged valve seals, worn piston rings, or issues with the turbocharger. Tended driving with any unusual exhaust smoke can seriously harm the catalytic converter and engine parts. Number 9. Strange noises. Important markers of internal health are engine sounds. A knocking sound, which is sometimes characterized as a metallic ping or rattling, typically indicates that the air-fuel mixture in your cylinders is exploding too soon. This issue is known as engine knocking or pre-ignition. This may be the consequence of poor gasoline quality or timing issues with the ignition. Tapping sounds are frequently caused by worn lifters or camshafts, which are signs of lubrication problems or worn-out parts. Continuous grinding or clanking noises may indicate loose or malfunctioning bearings, timing chains, or connecting rods, all of which need to be fixed right away to prevent catastrophic engine failure. Hissing sounds could be caused by vacuum or air leaks, which interfere with engine performance and fuel metering. Number 8. Loss of power. Your car's engine isn't working well if it has trouble accelerating, maintaining speed, or climbing hills. When dirt, carbon deposits, or old fuel clog fuel injectors or intake valves, the proper quantity of fuel or air cannot reach the combustion chamber, resulting in diminished power. This frequently starts out slowly. Power delivery may also be impacted by a large loss of boost pressure caused by a failed turbocharger, if one is present. The engine control unit may mismanage fuel and timing due to malfunctioning sensors, such as the mass airflow sensor, oxygen sensor, or throttle position sensor, which would result in a slow reaction. Back pressure from malfunctioning mufflers or catalytic converters can also limit exhaust flow and reduce engine performance. Number 7. Poor fuel efficiency. Excessive fuel consumption by your engine is a sign of inefficient fuel delivery or combustion. When worn spark plugs misfire, not all of the fuel ignites, wasting energy and resulting in incomplete combustion. The exact fuel spray pattern required for effective combustion is impacted by clogged or leaking fuel injectors. Rich fuel mixes that burn more fuel than is necessary can result from an oxygen sensor fault that sends inaccurate data to the ECU. The engine may have to inject extra gasoline to make up for decreased airflow caused by dirty or constrained air filters. Over time, reduced fuel efficiency indicates that the engine is exerting greater effort as a result of these inefficiencies, indicating the urgent need to treat the underlying reasons in order to avoid more serious engine damage. Number 6. Engine stalling or rough idling. When your car is stopped or running at low RPM, your engine may stall, splutter, or shut off entirely. This is known as rough idling or engine stalling. This symptom is frequently brought on by uneven or inadequate fuel distribution, which can be brought on by dirty fuel injectors, clogged fuel filters, or a malfunctioning fuel pump. Spark timing is disrupted by ignition system issues including worn spark plugs, malfunctioning ignition coils, or distributor issues, which can result in misfires or incomplete combustion. An unbalanced air-fuel mixture may result from vacuum leaks caused by broken hoses or seal failures. Idle stability is also impacted by sensor problems, particularly with the MAP sensor or idle air control valve. This raises pollutants and strains the engine and drivetrain parts. Number 5. Overheating. Engine overheating is a hazardous situation that can cause irreversible harm very fast. Low coolant levels, frequently brought on by hose or radiator damage, or leaks could be the cause of the cooling system's inability to control temperature. Heat buildup results from a defective thermostat that is partially or completely closed, limiting coolant flow. Heat dissipation is decreased by water pumps that improperly circulate coolant or by clogged radiator fins and channels. Expensive repairs might result from cylinder heads warping, head gaskets blowing, and engine blocks cracking due to overheating. Puddles of coolant beneath the car, steam or coolant odor, and the temperature gauge moving into the red zone are all warning indicators. To prevent engine seizure, quick action is necessary. Number 4. Oil leaks or milky, foamy oil. Oil is the engine's lifeblood, lubricating moving parts to prevent wear. Visible oil leaks around the engine or puddles beneath your vehicle suggest deteriorated seals, gaskets, or cracked components. Leaked oil reduces lubrication, increasing friction and damage. Milky or foamy oil indicates contamination with coolant, an extremely serious condition caused by a blown head gasket or cracked engine component allowing coolant to mix with oil. This ruins the oil's ability to lubricate, risking metal-on-metal contact and accelerated wear. Regularly checking oil levels and its appearance can provide early warning of these dangerous issues. Number 3. Check engine light. The check engine light is an early alert system monitoring numerous engine and emission control systems. Its illumination can be triggered by minor issues like a loose gas cap or serious problems such as misfires, sensor malfunctions, or catalytic converter inefficiencies. When the CEL turns on, the vehicle's computer stores diagnostic trouble codes that mechanics can access using special scan tools. Ignoring the CEL risks worsening engine performance, higher emissions, reduced fuel efficiency, and eventually engine damage. Prompt diagnostic checks help pinpoint and repair problems before they escalate. Number 2. Burning smells. Unpleasant burning odors are often the first noticeable sign of trouble. A burning oil smell usually means oil is leaking onto hot engine parts like the exhaust manifold. This not only produces smell but can cause smoke or even fire if left unattended. A burning rubber smell is commonly caused by failing serpentine belts, which may be slipping or rubbing against other components due to wear or misalignment. Electrical burning smells can signal overheating wiring, short circuits, or failing electrical components, all of which can cause engine failure or fire hazards. These smells always warrant immediate investigation. Number 1. Unusual vibrations. Vibrations or excessive shaking when the engine runs are warning signs of mechanical or electrical faults. Engine misfires caused by faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors cause uneven power delivery and shaking. Worn engine mounts reduce the engine's stability, letting vibrations transfer to the vehicle's frame and cabin. This not only reduces driving comfort, but can damage other engine components, wiring, and attachments due to the excessive movement. Persistent vibrations also point to fuel delivery or air intake problems. Promptly diagnosing and repairing vibration prevents widespread engine and drivetrain damage. These signs often indicate serious engine problems, such as failing sensors, clogged fuel injectors, worn spark plugs, leaking gaskets, or cooling system failures. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic promptly to avoid complete engine failure and costly repairs. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.